Hello there, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I am doing an update to my Pan That Face palette, and this is a super exciting update. So if you would like to find out more, and if you'd like to find out my progress, then just keep on watching and don't mind the crazy dog in the background. It is her playtime right now, so she has a little bit of zoomies. You can see the tail. Oh, she cracks me up sometimes. She kind of throws the ball herself and then tries to attack it. Hilarious. But anyway, back to the palette. This is my lovely Nobody's Perfect But Me palette, and this is what the palette looks like right now. As you can see, I have depotted this shade, and I have bronzer on my freaking hand. Let me just remove that real quick. Oh my god. Okay, so as you can see, I have depotted this. This was like a chocolate-ish highlighter. I had used up the gold highlighter, and this is the blush that I'm using. I had repressed this already, and this is all that is left. So, oh my god, I am so excited. Oh, give me the ball, will you? As I was saying, I had repressed it, and this is all that is left. So we will be 100% done next update. And oh my god, this will be the first face palette that I had ever finished. But let's get to the nitty gritty. She's gonna start barking now. I had used this shade 19 times since my last update, bringing it up to a total of 98 uses throughout the whole project. Oh my god, guys, this is amazing. Like I said, another maybe 10-15 more uses and this will be fully done. I'm not gonna wait until until I plan to film the next update. Once I finish, I will film it and then I will upload it, which might actually be on schedule. I'm not sure. We will see. But yeah, that is all done. There's nothing else that I can update you on except for the fact that next month we will be done, and I think I'm gonna take a break from panning a face palette. So maybe I will take 1 to 3 months of a break to kind of just play around with what I have in my collection, and then oh my god. And then by maybe, okay, so June, July, August, September, then maybe in September I am going to start a 2.0 version of this particular project with a different palette. Maybe this time I'll work on an eyeshadow palette, or maybe I will work on another face palette, because I do have another face palette that I have in mind to pan. So I guess, you know, I will make that decision once it actually comes to it, but we'll see. Definitely next month this will be done. Okay, do you want to say hello to the people? No, she doesn't. She just wants the ball. Anyway, that is it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, please don't forget to give this video a like, and also don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. But yeah, thank you very much, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.